Okay, what we have here is a 2019 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. We just upgraded to leather seats. So what you see here is a replacement upholstery kit. We do have these available to order in many styles and colors. Also, not just Jeep Wranglers, we have almost all vehicles available. These are not covers. We did have to take off the old upholstery to install these. But if you would like custom fit seat covers, we do offer those as well. If you would like to order a set, the link will be in the description. Also, you can put your year, make, and model in the comments section, and I'll let you know if we have available. Please like, share, and subscribe for more content. If you need help installing, please check out our how-to tutorials. I'll put those links in the description as well.